That nigga, this Ghetto Bird motherfucking records. This motherfucking Mack D 500.
Straight out of Cliff. We blunted, bitch.
I'm blunting, nigga. Ghetto Bird motherfucking records, nigga. And we finna switch up the game on you boys. You know what I'm saying? You know, see, nigga, this is how it's going down. You know what I'm saying? Niggas feel like, you know what I'm saying, that, you know, we got to be stuck in that one club. And switching up the game on you suckers. And nigga, let you niggas know we gon' ruckus. Nigga, you can meet me in Ruckus Park. After dark, nigga, with all your bars. And I'm doing shit like this. Nigga, get your camcorder ready for you. Nigga, this is action. Big I'm switching up the game like I was LeBron James. Okay, Pinocchio, I'm shaking haters like cold. MJ's 23, smoking down your freeway. Ballin' at his best, so Pete, the game that we play. Headed down there, better, turning off running view. Letting the bullets view, letting my chest piece slide out in front of you. Sealing like sack, cause my ducks ain't no toy. Put boys on their backs and playing my decoy. Get it out the net, become my shots going net. If I'm shooting at the chick, I bet her panties get wet. But if she ever give me some, I'm going straight for a neck. I'm Oak Cliff Tech, Tim Duncan at rest. After winning championship, David Robinson stretch. No need for Richard Miller, cause I'm skunking these boys. Riding Dwayne Wade, cause the heat's in the car. He's in the car, he's in the car. I'm switching up the game. I'm switching up the game. I'm switching up the game. I'm switching up the game.
No split bitches on my name. Nigga bring the pain as I bring the pain. And I bring the rain with that mud, nigga straight dummy. I'm cool like Bugs Bunny, but with no carrot, that should be my blunt.
I'm known to split wigs like I was Jason Kidd. You know, agility, rocking it from a distance. Jordan, I'm turning in the sky to the park. Mike Bibby if you slipping, or let me slide past like Steve Nash on a mission. Let a mile with this plate, so you haters keep wishing. You better watch the clock, cause the time is still ticking. We up by 22 minutes, the fourth quarter. It was competition, now it's out just slaughter. Rick Boxy jobs, when I top to top. On my box, Chevy Caprice with a knockout to least. Bogart the lane, even when I tried to creep. 28s when I skate, y'all means up on my plate. Gary Payton if you hating it, threatening my occupation. Bill Jackson and Mack when I'm doing my calculations. When I'm doing my calculations. When I'm doing my calculations.
It smell like Mexico in there though.
I'm switching up the game.
It smell like Mexico.
I'm switching up the game. I'm switching up the game. Switching up the game. Switching up the game. I'm 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 switching up the game. Paul Purdy, my shots will leave your city in church. Chris Paul the loud, best action in Europe. Say hello to my Camelo West, I'm switching my goods. Like my skills was out jello, I'm pleasing my period. Chauncey, you don't wanna see my bills, cause from outside, I'm known to get my skrilla. I'm Allen Iverson, AID answer. You can tell it's my Ray Allen and get canceled. I'm a leader like Avery, young Rondo. You don't wanna see me coming pronto with my tonto to add bundo. I will gun hope like I'm Derrick Rose. Bring your defense to watch it all get exposed. When my Jason Jack Terry gets to buy the whiskey under the go. Victorious, ask Horry what my story is. And he'll tell you the story of Magic Johnson in his glory. In his glory.